Okay, we're back with the Canik TP9 series. This specifically is the Elite Combat Executive, but I believe all the TP9s basically function the same way. So this video is really only getting posted because I had to put in a new recoil spring, switching from the extra low impact or low pressure spring to a high pressure spring. Putting a suppressor on there finally. So figured I might as well post a video anyway. Again, this is very easy, but slightly more difficult than you would think compared to just looking at it. So we're going to put the barrel in, of course, goes in this direction. I should say it's only a little more confusing if it's your first time, but color side goes in the gun, so the black side is out of all these different color springs. So you want to push it in just enough that it rests like this. Actually, sorry, let's go a little further in. There we go. It doesn't have to go extremely all the way down past the gold area, but you don't want it sitting, you don't want it sitting on the edge right up on that lip where it's not really flush. You can kind of see how it's not flush with the barrel, not parallel to the barrel. So let's get that back right in that little magic indent right there, kind of the second step of that curve, if you will. That's basically what I have to do. You'll know it's flush, right, if it sits just like that. It sits right on the gun, no effort involved. The seam is perfectly lined up. You don't even have to use those levers this time. You just slide it back and now you're done. So you can fire it, hear that it works, keep holding the trigger. If you already let go, just do it again. Fire, keep holding the trigger, pull the slide back. And if you let go and you hear it click, you know it's right. And then all we have to do is screw on your suppressor or barrel guard. And that's the Canik TP9 series.